maybe overtake the bus. Yeah, I would like to record how just watch now. Because they do not tell where they drive, so we look for some special places sometimes. Yeah, so this look like you are exam.
Yeah, actually,
exam. Yes.
She's going very slow.
Yes, a little bit here, no 30, this street is 50, and free road, no bicycles, so she can drive a little bit faster.
Because they put for you
yes, minus 15 without reason.
It's minor, and if maybe more than 20 minus.
Yes, it can become a major mistake. But now she is 40, maybe 40, so it's on the limit, but
yeah,
but they look for another mistakes, you know, if they see he's too slow without reason, maybe she needs some more practice, But you know, on the other hand, 5 kilometers per hour less, 20% more you see everything.
Yeah.
So, because when you don't know the road, sometimes they come from another city. Maybe they are doing yesterday we did this Stulginska maybe, or maybe further even, they sometimes go. Yes, she's doing Stulginska, let's do the left.
Usually people go
so from
the right and then they go to the left.
Correct. And there is these poles I was explaining you, and there's construction also problem. But she didn't cut the edge, nice, very good she did. And here you see the construction, so she's
taking.
Yes, they're overtaking if there are no cars. Can have some distance a little bit because not to make her stress.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Because if we do this, then tomorrow somebody's gonna come for me.
Turning, you know.
I think she's stopping.
So overtake. I don't know why she did to stop. It's just we'll show her the.
Yeah, we show her. I hope she will focus. I think he told her.
Let's do the left turn. Overtake, return, and then before the poles. Remember here, and now indicate left, and give way for this Volkswagen, and then we can move on the side. Yeah, nice. So she have a good experience. We can move.
Yeah.
So she got a
very good one.
Good
Actually,
example.
And then I will go to the right.
I don't know why.
I think he told her maybe he saw we are driving.
Maybe he asked to stop because he wanted us to overtake.
Yeah.
Maybe yes.
He don't want us to know where he's going.
Yeah, but just later, but they don't want. Sometimes it's legal to go after the car.
Yeah,
we just drive, but they told we go to Regitra sometimes to talk with them. There are open doors, like conference. We can give some questions, and they told that, and they don't like when somebody's watching them.
Okay.
They feel like they're doing the exam.
Okay, yeah. But I think we helped her a lot.
Yes, I think.
Because that's a very tricky
because
place.
If she do not know where to drive, so it was hard for her to understand. They put these poles because crossing this prior to road, lots of accidents happen. That's why they put these poles, and it prohibits for them from in front to drive straight. So every week or every month I saw some accidents there. That's why they put these poles not to drive the cars from that side.
Okay.
So let's go the second exit to Regitra.
People.
Yes, but here is very suspicious. This road blocks visibility. Very good, because these new drivers do not look. They stop before the triangles and they don't see. They see 20 meters, but it's not enough because somebody drives very fast here. even when they put this GPS, but sometimes they want you to do some exercises. So listen what they tell you. Sometimes they ask you to turn somewhere else.
I have a translator also because it's necessary. In Regitra, it's you need.
Yeah. Because some of them they talk English, but you know there was a conflict somewhere. So then they tell, bring the translator. They are not responsible.
And even if I say I understand a little bit of Lithuanian, they say no, you need a translator. Because
it depends, you know. One guy from Great Britain, he married a Lithuanian woman, and he understands a little bit, but not much. But he told, aš suprantu lietuviškai, and he passed. Not the first attempt, but the next attempt, because she was new in the driving. So, but he went in Lithuanian. But it depends, you know, because I think some people complain and they tell that I do not understand, then they
put the blame on
yes, they don't want to be responsible. And memorize here, they ask you, see another regular car, if they ask to make left turn or U-turn, is the third car is waiting for the left arrow, and these cars are driving fast, so he must enter and wait to give way for
so open green together.
Yeah, together, open green, yes.
So I have to go straight?
Yes, he must go in the middle.
In the middle?
Yes.
And he has to take the most right also, yeah?
Yes.
Not to cross the left side. You know what I mean?
Yes, a little bit larger.
A little bit larger.
Yeah, but not too much.
And when he stops in the middle, he should stop straight?
According to these lines.
So not like enter a little bit?
A little bit, but not to get into the opposite direction, like they do. You see, he can, maybe 30 centimeters, he can be deeper, but not much in the opposite direction. Must be enough space for the trucks to go straight. Returning, we'll do this exercise, okay?
My exam will be on 2:45. Okay. So I think maybe he will take me from up, maybe to...
random, you know. There are around the Regitra 15 kilometers radius. Everywhere they can drive. But they look for these control places. Stop sign, priority road changes direction, one-way traffic, like the girl was driving. Narrow streets, normal streets, roundabout, and some parking, T-shape, and some kind of parking. It depends, parallel or simple parking. That's it.